In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet's AI tool. We'll walk through a simple, practical example, using AI to get the final cost from the latest counted amount after a discount. This is perfect when you already track amounts in your sheet and want a quick, reliable result without hand-building a formula. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. In Smartsheet, that's the destination cell for your answer. Type the equal sign. This tells Smartsheet you're about to create a formula, and it also enables the AI helper for formula building. Next, choose Build with AI. You'll see a small panel or suggestion box that invites you to describe what you want in plain English. In that prompt field, write a clear instruction like calculate the discounted amount or calculate the discounted cost. Keep it short and direct. The AI will look at the row context and the columns in your sheet, such as your latest counted amount and any discount value you maintain, and propose the right formula. If the suggestion looks good, press Enter or click Apply. Smartsheet inserts the result immediately and stores the formula so it stays up to date as your data changes. If the first suggestion isn't perfect, refine your wording slightly and try again. Small changes like specifying which column represents the discount can help. Before you move on, give the result a quick glance to make sure it references the columns you expect. This quick review is a best practice anytime you use AI to generate formulas. That's the core workflow: equal sign, build with AI, describe the calculation, then apply the suggestion, and you're done. No sweat. From here, feel free to explore. Use the same approach to summarize totals, combine text, or create date-based calculations. The more you describe your intent in everyday language, the better the AI can help. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building smarter sheets with AI.